So today is day 4, and after the rest day yesterday we are going to do another hike. So this time we are going to do the tail of Madeira, which is a kind of different hike from the other one. So as you can see, the terrain in front of me is totally different than the other hike. Very cool to see. And there's this walking path all the way towards the end of the island. So we just came all the way from that side. Now we have to climb up here, going that way, around there, over there, to the end. So compared to the PR1, this is a pretty easy hike to do. I believe the height difference is only 40 meters compared to PR1, which was 400 I believe, or even more. So pretty easy hike, pretty cool hike to do as well. Beautiful path. So we are right now at this viewpoint, right over there. That is called the Gorilla Head, and it shows a little bit like a gorilla. So it's pretty cool to see, and you can check it out. So I think we are halfway there, and as you can see right over there, I don't know if it's just a house or maybe a tourist place, and then we have to walk all the way up there to the final stretch. And right there we are going to take out the drone, so I hope it's not too windy up there, but it is a really beautiful island. I keep saying it, I know. So this is the last uphill part of the route to the top. Pretty steep, pretty fun to do. So we made it to the end of the hill. Pretty cool, pretty chilly out here. So we're going to take on the drone in a second. So we just made it to the highest point, right over there. Right now we are just chilling on this other mountain peak. Just took the drone out, there were some seagulls, so I was lucky I think. Maybe that side I'm going to take the drone out as well, because we want to try and see if we can get up there, or maybe all on that side. So we just walked off-road all the way up here for another view over this cliff. the spot on top of the hill. Take a look at this view. And before we were over there with the drone to make some awesome shots. So we finally made it to the top. Oh my god, take a look. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you want to follow me around the world, please make sure you subscribe and also give it a thumbs up because it motivates me to make more videos.